This is a contractor-led self-build in Rossnowlagh, County Donegal. Due to the location of the site being on the wide Atlantic Way, the build is open to a lot of elements and coastal weather. The client went with the aircrete thermal block for this particular build after they liaised and had spoken to the contractor who had previously used our aircrete thermal block on previous builds, and straight away he was able to say that the block was ticking all the boxes for the requirements they wanted.
Mannok have engaged very well with the self-build and the contractor on site. In the last number of years they've come on massively with a great technical backup, and the likes of these self-builds, they've really engaged at every angle, making sure that they're following the process correctly and knowing how to use the aircrete block correctly, and yeah, good process.
By using Mannok aircrete thermal blocks, you are dealing with your thermal bridging, but by using Mannok aircrete for the full inner relief, you are overseeing all thermal bridging by default. This leaves this home very efficient. It will help the heat of your house, and it is 10 times more insulated than a standard dense block. And we have used our ISO Shield full-fill cavity board for the cavity insulation, and that would be used in conjunction with our Mannok Therm floorboards.
The Mannok self-build package, it cuts out a lot of the different suppliers to site, so you're effectively dealing with one supplier for a lot of the main building package. It's a one-stop call really for your main building requirements.
For the self-builder, the self-build with Mannok package in conjunction with the merchant gives a stress-free build. It gives you the insight into the technical side of things where our team can oversee your plans and give you any guidance needed in an aspect of seeing the build through and leaving it stress-free for the client. Another benefit of using the Mannok aircrete thermal block is that it's less labour intensive, it's a lighter block and therefore leaves it easier for the builder.
For the merchant side on the self-built Mannok package, it takes a lot of the pressure off the merchant. It's one call to one rep, and it's one supplier servicing one site. It's a lot more streamlined for the merchant. It takes a lot of the work out of the merchant's hand.
We can do a lot of the work by getting technical guidance and advice. We can do the deal and take a lot of the haggling, I suppose, out of the pricing with the merchant, and when we get a deal for them that is clear cut.
BMG Home Value were with Mannok. We have a long-term relationship. I'm with BMG myself about 22 years, and I can firmly say we've always dealt well with them, and the likes of these self-builds, it's shown that it works.